Look up at the night sky, It's full of mysteries, isn't it? Among all the glittering points of light, there are ghosts. The remains of giant stars that have lived long, brilliant lives. One of the strangest of these stellar ghosts is the neutron star. Imagine this, an object with more mass than our own sun, but squeezed down into a space no bigger than a city like Manhattan. It sounds like science fiction, but it's one of the most incredible realities the universe has to offer. This isn't just a star, it's a cosmic diamond, forged in the most violent event in the cosmos. It's the universe showing us what happens when you push matter to its absolute limit, and then some. So, how do you make one of these cosmic curiosities? You start with a very big star, something much larger than our sun. When a star that massive runs out of fuel, it can no longer hold itself up against its own immense gravity. The core collapses catastrophically, and the outer layers are blasted away in a titanic explosion we call a supernova. A supernova is the universe's most spectacular death announcement. What's left behind from that incredible blast is the star's crushed, shrunken core. The collapse is so intense, so powerful, that it fundamentally changes the very nature of matter itself. It's a process of unimaginable violence and transformation. Right. Protons and electrons are violently crushed together to form neutrons. The entire core becomes a super dense ball made almost entirely of these neutral particles, packed together as tightly as physically possible. This is the birth of a neutron star. It's no longer a star in the traditional sense, burning fuel to produce light and heat. Instead, it's an exotic remnant, a stellar corpse that is denser, smaller. Let's talk about density. It's a simple idea, how much stuff you can pack into a certain amount of space. A neutron star takes this concept to a mind-bending extreme. To get a feel for it, imagine you could take a single teaspoon of neutron star material. If you brought that tiny spoonful back to Earth, it would weigh about 6 billion tons. That's as much as a mountain. Or every single human being on Earth combined, all balanced on the tip of a spoon. This isn't just dense, it's matter pushed to the very edge of existence, just one step shy of collapsing into a black hole. This incredible density creates an equally incredible gravitational field. Gravity is the force that pulls things together, and it depends on mass and distance. Since a neutron star packs the mass of a sun into the size of a city, the gravity on its surface is astonishingly strong. It's about 200 billion times stronger than the gravity you feel on Earth. If you could somehow stand on its surface, you would be flattened into a microscopic film of atoms instantly. When a star collapses, it doesn't just get smaller and denser. It also starts to spin. Fast. Think of an ice skater pulling their arms in to spin faster. This is the same principle, called the conservation of angular momentum, but on a cosmic scale. A massive star that might have rotated once every few weeks collapses into a tiny ball that can spin hundreds of times every single second. This rapid rotation, combined with the star's powerful magnetic field, gives birth to a special kind of neutron star, a pulsar. These are the cosmic lighthouses of the universe, and they were the first neutron stars we ever discovered. A pulsar doesn't shine steadily. Instead, it has powerful magnetic poles that are often not aligned with its spin axis. Because neutron stars are so small and don't produce their own light through fusion, they are incredibly difficult to see with a normal telescope. You can't just point and look. Instead, we have to be cosmic detectives, searching for the clues they leave behind. The most famous method is detecting them as pulsars. Radio telescopes across the globe scan the skies. We also listen for ripples in space-time, gravitational waves from neutron stars spiraling together. On August 17, 2017, we both heard and saw two neutron stars collide, a kilonova blazing across the spectrum. That collision forged heavy elements, including the gold in our jewelry and the platinum in our electronics.